What is networking? Networking can serve as a valuable strategy at each and every stage of your career development. It simply means connecting with people, your most valuable resources at every phase of your pursuits. Networking basically means to connect and make contacts by conducting communication at different platforms. Networking is significantly required in professional life, as isolation will never let you become a part of an office or workplace. Networking is highly important for career development. Networking with highly qualified individuals can lead to career development by improving your professional performance. When you make connections with people who work for leading brands and popular firms, the chances of career development increase. When your network grows, you come to know more efficiently about job requirements and employment openings, so you don't miss out on any good vacancies. When networking, you learn through an interconnected professional community, and you can use your networking skills in order to increase your knowledge about job tactics and tricks. Networking broadens your circle and makes an impressive addition of skilled personalities to it. Connecting with such people who are expert and quite professional can turn out to be prominently helpful in regard your skill advancement. You can improve your expertise and put them to a better usage by observing other successful professionals in your network. Networking polishes your skills and makes you remarkably capable of difficult tasks. The bigger network you'll have, the more skills you'll learn and the better you'll grow professionally. Happy networking. Face-to-face or online networking? You should go for both, as each of the online and face-to-face networking has its advantages and benefits. A combination between the two would be ideal, as they complete each other perfectly. Why to choose face-to-face networking? Because face-to-face interaction is still paramount, and because meeting outside the office gives time to learn about those in your network, inspires new ways of thinking, increases learning without office distractions, boosts creativity. Why to choose online networking? Because it gives employers a summary of expertise, strengths and work experience. It distinguishes from less tech-savvy job hunters through a personal brand. It provides you with a digital Rolodex of connections for future references. It helps recruiters weigh you personally and professionally based on posts. Professional benefits of networking. 1. It gives you word-of-mouth referrals. 57% of jobs are filled through a networking contact. Professional benefits of networking. 2. It harnesses and strengthens your creativity. 96% of Adobe employees report creativity as central to their value to the world and the company. Professional benefits of networking. 3. It connects you with mentors. 68% of those planning to stay with their company for 5 years have a mentor. Quality of life benefits of networking. Having a strong social network is an indicator of psychological, emotional and physical wellness. Strong and healthy networks led to decrease in dementia, breast cancer and premature death. Analyze your network. Networking is more important than ever and takes place in every part of your life. How strong and large is your current network? How can you get the most value out of your network to plan and develop your career? What would you need to change in your network to make it more profitable? Remember, to make networking work for the growth and development of both yourself and your career, you have to build sustainable relationships instead of just adding to your number of connections.